Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and get my title. I'm super excited about that. My insurance started today, so we are officially in writing season, and your girl is official out here. So before we get this video started, I just want to say thank you for the amount of support on my last video. I honestly didn't think it was going to do that well, and it did, surprisingly. So I'm super happy. I want to thank everyone who subscribed or who liked the video, who viewed the video. Just thank you guys for that. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with today's video. At the end of the video, if you did like it, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So this was actually my first time like moving my bike, and you know what, I've learned a lot since this one video. First of all, what I would have done differently was warm my bike up in the garage and then rode it out. But you know, at the time I was riding it out so that I could get it turned on to start heating. So you know what, I learned a lot since this video, but your girl was struggling. Okay, your girl was struggling. Never again. So I got her started. She's heating up and she's smelling super good. I'm excited, y'all. This is like our first like real ride, like me and my girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my helmet today because I didn't show you guys in my last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and we're just gonna let her heat up real quick. So I wear an Gsxr helmet. My baby actually got this for me, so shout out to him. And I purposely got my windscreen like this because I just knew I was gonna have it on the bike. Alright, so this is my helmet, my bike. This looks just look at this. So sexy. So sexy. Look. Oh my goodness, y'all. Alright, y'all, these are my gloves. These are Rocket gloves. Got a little pink detail up there. Super cute. And again, these are my first pair of like gloves like that were for me. Because last season I wore my boyfriend's older ones. So these ones are so freaking pretty and they fit so good. So this is a Joe Rocket jacket and it's so cute. Boo actually gave me this for Christmas. He just is over here spoiling me. But it's so cute and it goes so well with my bike. I like how it's majority black, but it has pink. If you guys can see, it has like flowers and they're black. It's so cute. Strapped up, ready to go. First time in 6 gear. Fun.
Where we at?
You said where was we at?
Where are we at?
We at the DMV going to get my title now, and yeah, just stay tuned. You know, getting legal out here. Alright, y'all, so we just got done getting the plates and tags, and yeah, it was a whole process, but we got it done with the help of my baby. So now we're about to head over to State 8 because Boo is getting a battery for his bike, and we about to do that. Y'all, it feels great out here. Like, it just feels good to be out here, you know? So, shout out to Babe for taking those clips on the way here. I do need to work on my sound. That's something we were talking about in there. You know, I be trying to do the most. Boo got me ready to try that blip, and I was trying to blip, but I really need to focus on my sound first, because I guess I don't realize how loud my bike is, and it's loud, y'all. It's loud. So yeah, but we about to get out of here. Here we go. Y'all, this video was so much fun to film. I do feel like I should mention that this will not be like a moto vlogging channel. If you're following Devin, most of our motorcycle videos will continue to be on there. If you're not following Devin, make sure you go check him out at Devin Clark. But yeah, I will be having a mixture of beauty and motorcycle videos here and there when I feel like, you know, I want to record. But thank you guys for being with me and sticking with me. My life, I feel like it's a personal journey. Like, you know, it's my journey. And it's something that I want to be able to put on YouTube for times to come, like, you know, when I want to look back. So I just want to be able to post, you know, what I want to post. So again, thank you guys for your support, and I hope that going into the future I can still share my journey with you guys. Alright, y'all, so we just got to State 8 to grab Boo's bike. That was a nice ride down here. We got on the Expressway, came down. Glad we ain't getting stopped by no cops, because y'all, we forgot to bring the stuff to put it on. But we got it, so yeah, but we're about to get in here. You see, look at me. This is sexy. Black on black. Yeah, black on black. This thing get hot right here. Whatever that is. Every time I put my foot right here, I feel a little warm. Yeah, my gas light on, so hopefully Blue take me to go get some gas, because this first video will be me running out of gas. My first time on a bike, so yeah. Baby, you straight?
We straight. Got a little battery going on, you know.
Yeah.
Now I can ride with my baby.
Yes.
Because right now, I can't ride. The bike won't start.
Right.
Had to use your battery. Bruh.
Hey, you see me getting caught out on this light?
Like doing what? I'm like, now she wanna go.
No. Where are we going? Just straight up?
Great.
I'm gonna let you go in front.
We gonna make a left at that next light.
handles, and yeah, y'all.
Yeah.
I think I done got like ride it out today. Like I had a lot of fun riding, but I'm definitely ready to turn it in. So it's gonna be our last stop today. You know your girl had to turn on the lights because it was getting kind of dark. And she looks so freaking good. Like, look at her. I'm just watching the clips back myself. And she looks good, y'all. She looks good.
Give it a little red for the one time, baby.
That was a good ride. That was a good ride. Baby, how's she looking like?
Oh, she looking sexy.
She looks sexy.
Come on now, you see them lights? Yeah, them lights looking crazy. Oh man,
I can't wait to go back and rewatch
they
this.
look great riding.
Yeah.
Like they look crazy.
Good.
It's fire.
It's
It
fire.
pops. It pops.
That was a nice little ride for today.
That's
That
what's
was
up.
Nice. Yeah.
Sweet.
Around. It was a nice day today to ride too. So.
It was.
Yeah.
You happy you wore your jacket?
Yeah, you was right. You was right.
It seemed a lot warmer than it actually was. It is warm when you standing underneath the sun, but just
I mean,
you know.
earlier it was warmer than this.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
But
For sure.
Definitely glad I wore my jacket because we was out riding for a little bit. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Yup, but nah, she looks good, mama.
All right, y'all. So I am going to be cutting the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely super fun to film. Thankful that Devin could film it. And I'm excited to go back and watch the clips for myself. I know it's going to be a lot of dope clips and a lot of fun. But I had so much fun on her today. It was different because I was riding without Devin. Usually I ride with him. So I rode by myself. And you know what? It was cool. Like, I don't mind it. So I have to do more, like, riding by myself, you know, to develop that independence or whatever. But she rode so good. She rode so good. I really couldn't ask for a better bike. Just look at her. She just looks so good. She's just still in the spotlight. Just look at her. But yeah, she looks so good. And I can't wait for this summer. I know it's going to be a lot of fun. And I always have more things to learn, more things to work on. I'll forever have things to learn about my bike. So I'm excited for that. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.